in the mouth.
I don't know why we listen to that strange man on the corner, but here we are.
Well, you said you had trusting eyes.
Fuck his ass.
Spoken right in the eyes.
Let me get my keys out. Shit. I had so many keys, to be honest. Shit, going down all the way to the floor. Oh, my back. Oh.
You want me to go ahead and pop it back for you?
That'd be lovely.
All right, ready? 1, 2. Squeeze a little one out there.
I'm sorry. Clean that off you there. All right, now we'll just pop open the trunk.
All right, I'll go ahead and get the spare out.
You popped the tire there. I squeezed it too hard, now you popped the tire.
I done got me some of that Lenny strength.
You know what you better do now? You better try to blow it back up with your hot air, all right?
Oh, that's good. Here we go. I just want to make sure it's all the way full.
Yeah, you really don't have anything left.
Nope.
All right, well, I'll get the jack out here. We'll pop it into the car, then we'll crank it up. Hey, it's got a tiny jack. Just lean over and we'll just give it a nice little squeeze.
Now, did this come with your Theo?
Yeah, it did. Now look, it's off the ground 1 inch.
All right, that's perfect for this tire size.
All right. Now we'll just unbolt the bolts.
Yeah, this traffic sure is noisy out here.
You think someone would help us?
No.
All right, pop off the tire.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on.
You missed the car completely.
Sure, because I expected some sort of noise to come in right now. No.
You gotta push it a little bit further than that there,
You know I haven't had any depth perception since I lost the eye.
I say so. All right, come on now, get it on there.
All right, second time's a charm. There we go.
Yeah, with authority now.
Yeah, put some back into it.
Bolt it back in there.
Fastest bolter in the West.
Yeah, get yourself in there, Phil.
All right.
All right. Yep.
Is your seatbelt hanging out your door?
That's all right. I'm going to drive with the door open.
That seems very safe.
All right, now let's see if it starts up.
Listen to that baby purr. God, them Italians sure do make a fine micro vehicle.
Listen to that engine. Look at it as it blows away into the wind.
Sure is a fine automobile.
Well, we're totally fucked now there, Phil. We got a car with no engine, but we got some good tires.
And we got each other.
We do have each other. Is that your heart beating, Phil?
No, it's my butt.
Well, that would explain it then. Well, you and I together, we can lift this car and we can carry it to Boston.
Let's just Flintstone this son of a bitch.
Yeah! Yep, it's on there nice and tight.
Yeah.
Now, let's move our legs real comical like, and maybe we'll make that cartoon sound like they used to make.
Maybe we'll